Okay, this is Don Barnes. I'm your instructor for the Math 150 course, and I've been receiving a number of questions, and it appears that I need to clarify a couple of things. First off, in order to get started in the course, before you can actually do any of the math work, you're going to have to go and you're going to have to do the Intro to XYZ Homework assignment. Now, all you have to do to get into it is just click on it. It's got the questions, you answer all the questions, and so on. Now, for the next part, once you get 100% on that, then you can go into the Chapter 1 assignment. And this is where I think a lot of folks are having their problem. If you notice, right underneath the 1.1, it says prerequisite 100% on Intro to XYZ Homework. Anytime that shows up, that tells you what you have to do before you can get into this assignment. So that's the first thing I wanted to show you that way. And you can see for 1.2, you've got to have a 90% on 1.1, which is this one up here. So you can see how they're all stacked together. The next thing is this part in red is actually your learning experience. That's where you have things like videos, so on. So you have those videos. And that's a good part of it. You can also go to the textbook if you want to and look at problems in there. But I think where most people are having the issue is they're saying, oh, I did everything in 1.1, but I can't get to 1.2. Well, the assignment in 1.1 is right here. You have to click on this blue link. And again, that opens up the assignment. You can see here are the questions. Here it is. You put in the answer. So the sum of x and -3 is 3. So you just have to answer, I believe that answer would be 6. I've got to scroll down here and hit submit, or you can just hit enter. And it says, oh no, it's not right. So you can actually go back through and do the problem over again, whatever you need to do. Okay, so that's where you get into your work. You can go through all the different problems. And then once you do all the problems, then you'll have completed the assignment that you need. You can then go back to the next assignment and so on. So hopefully this helps you navigate into XYZ and how to get to the homework, and maybe that'll clarify some of your questions. If you have any questions for me, just send me an email back and I'll be more than happy to try to answer and get you on track where you need to be.